morning, everybody. Josh Uzel, Breakthrough Real Estate Property Management and Handyman Services. Hope you're having a great day. Today we got two great scorpion stories for you. If you're enjoying these tidbits, please right now hit that like and subscribe button right there, right below. And it lets us know that you appreciate what we have to offer. It also lets YouTube know to keep putting our videos out there, and we appreciate it so much. So if you haven't done it yet, go ahead, hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, let's jump right in. Years ago, I was fortunate to help a first-time buyer looking for a home in Litchfield Park. Now, this first-time buyer is someone special to me because she was, again, one of my first clients. She was one of the youngest clients I'd helped to that point in time. And as far as realtors are concerned, when you see somebody like in their young 20s who has saved, ready to buy a home, it's just a really, really cool thing. So this young lady was just awesome, right? So after a long, hard search, we finally found her this beautiful home. Okay, now this was the fall of the market. So this house was a bank-owned home, so it needed paint, a little bit, a few things here and there, but as far as a home is concerned as a whole, this home was great. It had built-in surround sound. It had a highly upgraded kitchen, lighting. It was over 2,000 square feet. Had a pool. I believe it had a 3-car garage in a great community, kind of on an interior cul-de-sac lot, so nice sized lot. So this home basically had everything she was looking for. Got the offer accepted, open escrow, fast forward to the home inspections. So bright and early, we meet the home inspector there, and as soon as I get there, he's already kind of doing his thing. So I walk in and he's like, "Hey Josh, come here really quick." And he takes me over to the kitchen and he's like, "Hey, look in the sink right there." And I look in and there's 3 or 4 scorpions sitting right there in the drain. Now he's like, "Okay, now go ahead and look at the other side of the drain and pull up that little thing." And I was like, "Okay." So I pull it up. There's 3 or 4 scorpions in the other side of the drain. He's like, "Josh, this isn't all." He takes me to the other bathroom and there's scorpions in the drain in the bathtub. Then we proceed to go into the master bedroom, and in the bottom of the bathtub there, couple scorpions. In the shower, couple scorpions. And I had never encountered scorpions on this level. This was the first scorpion house as far as my career was concerned. So immediately I look up to the inspector. I'm like, "Oh my gosh, what do we do?" And he's like, "Well, there's not much, you can do. If it's on a scorpion bed, they'll just need to get lots of treatments and they'll either take it or they won't. It is what it is." And I was like, "Really?" He's like, "Yeah, just let's talk to her and see what she says." So we proceed to walk outside where the buyer is actually hanging out right next to the pool with one of her best friend. And it's like the inspector knew. So he went over and he pulled up the lid to the skimmer area in the pool. And would you know it, inside there are 3 or 4 more scorpions. So he calls over the buyer and points these out to her, and then mentions the 3 or 4 in the kitchen, the 3 or 4 in this other sink in the kitchen, the 2 or 3 in the guest bath, the 2 or 3 in the master bath, and then the several here in the pool. Obviously, Miss Buyer, this is a scorpion house. And she says, "Oh, that's fine. We're used to it. Where I'm from, blah, blah, blah. Totally fine with scorpions." And she's like, "Yeah, I even have a great pest person, so I'm not worried about it. Let's go and proceed. This is a great deal in the house." So it's like, okay, great. And we proceeded to close. Fast forward several years, she gets relocated to California, decides to turn this property into a rental property. So fortunately enough, she calls us to manage the property, and we find her an amazing tenant. Right off the bat, just wonderful family. And of course, we're letting them know there's scorpions, this is a scorpion house, and we basically every disclosure under the sun, right? Because we don't want to take any chances, especially because there's kids involved. And she included a pest treatment quarterly with her rental, as well as pool care, etc., etc. Like I said, this owner was great. So she purchased the home 2010. I think she rented it out around 2014. As of this year, not one scorpion incident. So that's story number 1. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for story number 2.